I'm Lisa Eitel with Design World Magazine here at the WTWH offices in Cleveland, Ohio. PBC Linear has been nice enough to visit us. I'm joined by Jamie Stockton, product manager for PBC Linear. Jamie, tell me a little bit about the linear products that you've brought here on your roadshow.
Sure, thanks for having me, Lisa. So we brought on the roadshow, we've got our entire CRT line, which is the cam roller technology products. Also the famous Simplicity line, which is all of the plain bearings and then other associated round bearing products. We've also got mechatronics, which includes our actuators. And then part of the mechatronics, we've got lead screws, which is a new product that PBC has just started to roll out. So yeah, we've got a nice selection of almost every PBC product that we make. Lead screws, we're very excited. We've got a proprietary new constant force technology or anti-backlash nut that is really a game changer. It allows for no backlash and it keeps its reduced lash throughout the life of the product. In addition, we've got a really exciting lead screw. It has an incredible amount of precision, which is really nice if you compare it to other products in the marketplace. PBC's standard offering is plus or minus 3,000 per foot, whereas most of the competition out there for lead screws is about 10 thousandths per foot.
And where is this roadshow headed next?
We're off to the East Coast, Northeast, Pennsylvania here at the end of August into September. And then as we get to the cooler months, we'll be into the Southeast. For more information, pbclinear.com. You can put in a request to get the van to visit a location near you, or you can kind of follow the van and see where it's headed.
All right, thanks. And for more information from Design World, visit linearmotiontips.com.